That looks pretty good. It's like kind of cool, but it's like missing something. So right now we're waiting on the special guest here. Oh my God, oh, it's so good. It's about a mile away and I see it coming. So just a little gift for you all, just a little something unexpected, since Monstermax 2 is just one Monstermax. I think you know what's coming down the road here. What the frick, dude? Oh my God, that looks so good. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. What is going on? For sale! Duramax mud truck on 5 tons. Plenty of upgrades. Fully built Suncoast trans, etc. Watch the videos. It'll do whatever you want and not break. So I said, I'll take it. I said, that's what I need. I'm looking for something that won't break. That's exactly what I was looking for. So I said, he's not a liar. Cleetus McFarlands seems like he wouldn't lie.
Yeah, you definitely can't break it.
Wouldn't say that it was unbreakable and then it would break.
I don't know. We'll just have to find out.
What'd I tell him? I said, man, I'm sorry, but I can't. It's just not fitting what I need, but I do appreciate the offer. And then 4 minutes later, I said, I'll take it. That puppy's baller. But what's more baller than one puppy?
2 puppies.
So I was like, look, the guy who wrapped it, Mitten Customs, because he's from Michigan.
Oh,
they like their Mitten Customs wrapped that truck, and he did it in one day. So I was like, could you wrap another one in one day to match? He wrapped the bumper, he wrapped the lug nuts. No, they were already matched. They somehow, literally, this was like so meant to be. I don't know how this, somehow. So it's gonna have Monstermax tires on it. I hope it clears them. It looks like the same height though, honestly. They painted the wheel wells. Like, this sucker matches really good. They wrapped the rear bumper.
Yeah.
Dude, freaking credit to Mitten Customs. I haven't even met the guy yet. How I don't know how he found paint to match my wrap in like 25 minutes, but dude, he gets things done. Oh, that's what that was. What? We broke the sway bar. Oh, we bent this. That's why this corner was all, was it like that before? Surely not. That's why it was rubbing. Look, Garrett. Garrett. My boy, Garrett. Cleetus. My man. My homie. Look, no, it's cool. I get it. I'm just wondering who designed that. Like, there's no side load. Like, or there's no bracing. Like, they just took 2 pieces of 1/4 inch and put a heim on the end. So there's no side. He didn't even tighten the chains.
Come on, Cleetus.
I drove over a hill. I drove over 2 hills. I am really worried about this dent though, because that wasn't there.
The new owner wanted me to do something. Well, I mean, it's by his. Should we swap it with white trashes real quick? Give him an already beat up one.
I don't know if I can do it. It's gonna take everything in me to just destroy a nice piece of
That is a nice tailgate.
It's a nice tailgate. Should I do it?
You gotta.
I mean, he did ask me to do it.
I mean, you either gotta do it or you gotta keep the truck. One or the
Yeah,
other.
watch him back out on the deal after this, dude. I'm gonna be pissed.
Ooh.
That's all I can do.
I just want to put this under here in case it falls, it doesn't fall all the way down. Unfortunately for the haters, in order to climb up to get in my truck, I have no choice but to step on the hood of my R8 and then climb up the tire of my big monster truck and then climb on the tire of my smaller monster truck to get in. On accident, somehow, I don't know how this happened, but everything matches. Like I literally didn't try. I was like, maybe we make everything match, and I planned that like a year in advance. Sick and tired. How do I fix this? I'm tired. All the gear oil from my monster trucks is dripping on my R8. And if you're still a hater now, you're definitely crying under your, not even your bed, you're probably crying under your mama's bed because you had a bad nightmare and you ran into her room and you're like, Mama, come help me. And she's like, you're 24. You shouldn't be living in my basement still. Oh, shut dumb ass. Yeah. Law is that you can't have more than 3 inches hanging on the trailer. So that's what we got. There's just a little bit too much on the trailer. One special project that we had here that people might have forgotten about is hanging on the wall there. So my 79 Ford, the dent side, built in the dent with Bondo to make people mad, actually got a replacement body, or is going to after they're done with Monstermax. So my dent side is getting built here too. So unfortunately, the specialty forged wheels that were on it here got dusty. So we had to get new ones. The best wheels on planet Earth, specialty forged.
A little bit heavier.
SF002s. If you put one in a dark room, it would lighten the room. So polished. Like they carved this out of a block of aluminum. Definitely my favorite brand of wheel. I'm gonna start it with my foot all the way to the floor because I've never done that before. Let's see what happens. My foot is to the floor, right? That's lame. That's lame. What? What the heck? Are you serious? We just broke the 5-ton axle. This is why you don't put 5 tons on. 5 tons are weak, guys.
Hey, you brought me 5 tons, if I remember correctly.
To put on
for the first
Monstermax. I
Monstermax.
know. I knew this. I mean, I knew it was gonna. I knew. We all knew. I mean, you know what's funny is that this was just torque that did that. I think. I don't think the jump.
You were. That's why I wanted you to do it again.
I know
You
I
were
was off the ground. But, well, I'm thinking I put it in reverse and it'll straighten out.
I know.
All right, I'm gonna just floor it.
Let's see where it goes.
I broke the axle. I broke the military axle in like 10 minutes.
That's why I asked you what your future of this truck was, because
My future with this truck is limited.
I need to make it Cody proof if it is.
This is just like good old times. The front wheels do this on every Duramax I had, and then they spin towards each other. It's so fun. I love doing it. All you have to do, the simple trick, is just break your front end and the wheels do this. It's so fun. Look at it. Look at it. We're sliding that side. Hey. You know what's even more fun? You can throw it in reverse and the wheels do this really quick. Or it kind of straightened out. Hey, guess what? The gauges work now. I fixed the gauges. That was all I needed to do was break the front axle. You hear that clicking sound when I put it in park while it was rolling? It's not supposed to do that. Oh, this U-joint's blown. Look, that U-joint's blown. Because it's been in the water the whole time. Steering fluid. Oh, I blew, you know, now this is understandable. My steering pump is out. I've swapped several hundred of these, but do you want this thing?
Absolutely. We'll do the D&D thing on it.
No, I don't want the D&D thing.
No, we will, if
That
you give
comes-
it to us.
That comes with a bill. It's full of oiter. Oil and water. So that's a common problem?
I don't think so. But
No?
most people don't run 66s on
You haven't,
5
have you had
tons.
that happen before?
No.
Oh, it's a remote start.
Looks like it. I can't tell you. Did you notice your caliper?
Yeah, what's up with the brakes? Why are they not working?
Oh,
I ripped it off?
yeah, you ripped the caliper
Off the drop box?
off the ground.
Oh no, I saw that coming. That's, oh my god. Show that, dude. Dude, the rotor is bent. This ripped it out of the drop box. Dude, it took a chunk of metal off. Where'd that metal come from? That's part of my rotor.
That's probably part of your own.
The caliper took a piece of the rotor with it. I've never seen that before. The other one's like really loose. Oh, it's hot.
I bet.
Yeah, we took a chunk of the rotor out. I saw these were loose. It's only held in by 2 bolts up here. So I punched the brakes in it. So we just did like $7,000 in damage. We got us here. I guess we're just gonna leave this up in Michigan. It didn't quite hold up. Well, I had low expectations. It met though. I kind of knew that these were probably gonna be what killed it, but this was not my goal, was to break it. It's here in Michigan, so best of luck with it, Don. Good luck.
We just modified these tires to fit 5 tons.
We did.
And now you don't have a truck.
We cut the centers to fit these axles, and then we broke the axles that we mounted to.